Hey guys, welcome back. It's Nadine. Today I'm opening up my Christmas gift, which I got from my husband and my children, the Cricut Explorer Air 2. And I'm going to unbox it to show you what comes with it. I'm so excited for this because I bought a Cricut before I had children, so it had to have been like 12, 13 years ago when I lived in Atlanta. And it was the type of Cricut that had a keyboard on it. It wasn't Wi-Fi or anything like that. It was old school, I guess. And it finally died this past fall. And I actually called the Cricut company to find out how can I get repaired, and there's no way to repair it. And they don't make that style no more. So I also asked, can I trade it in like a car and get something off? And I guess at the time they had $50 off. Before that, but I missed that sale. So I budgeted in to get a Cricut maker, but something came up, so I had to, the money I budgeted for, I had to use it for something else. And so my husband and my children surprised me and got me the Cricut Explorer Air 2. So let's see what comes with. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the Cricut Explorer Air 2. They got me the color, I believe this is Periwinkle. So let's open the box to see what comes with it. So let me get this. So inside, I'm just going to kind of dip it. They have the cutting sheet that comes on top. So that holds your paper. And the one I had last time from when I bought about 13 years ago, it was probably like just half this size because the machine wasn't this wide before. And so let's see if I can get this out the box. Oh, okay, I'm gonna throw the box. Hold on. Here's the box. So here's the machine. Oops, let me move this out of the way. Take this off. They package it really well so it won't break. And there it is. Yay! And in case you don't know what a Cricut machine is, it's pretty much a paper cutter, but now the maker, the one grade up cuts paper, fabric, wood. This one cuts just paper and vinyl, different materials, not as thick material. And inside the box I get it started instructions, the power cord, the USB cord, and it also comes with a black felt pen, but my daughter's destined for a black marker, so I opened the box to give her that. And that's all it comes with. So, let's take off the plastic. And so, what it does, now everything's wireless. This is Bluetooth compatible. You hook it up actually to your computer, and you can pick out different patterns, fonts. I mean, it's endless. So, you just push this button to open it. Beautiful. Nice. And it has, this is where your blades are, so take that out. And these are your blades to cut. So also I wanted to show you the storage it has. Like they have storage under here. They have storage under here to put pens, or they have different tools for Cricut for like lifting up the vinyl off of the mat, the cutting mat. You can also put stuff in this cup right here, and there's also, this is where, I believe this is where the USB cord goes. Yeah. Oh no, I'm sorry. If you have cartridges, it can go in here. So I guess the old cartridges that they used to have can fit in there. So that's pretty cool. And it also has, it has different the pressures is up here. Let me take this down so you can see what I'm talking about. So, sorry guys, I'm working my best here. So here it has different pressures, like for paper, vinyl, iron-on, light cardstock, bonded fabric, and poster board. And you can also, and they also have a custom one also, which is pretty cool. This would be a great thing to have if you are a crafter, a scrapbooker. You know, if you do a lot of cutting, this will save you so much time and it's so precise. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I love new subscribers, so just hit that button over here to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you love this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And until we meet again, have a very blessed day.